What's up YouTube? This is B-Side Investing. This is our 10x 10k challenge. On the day we are up 12%, $577 to $5,300, and looking good actually. We're recovering very nicely. The main ones that have helped us is looks like HIVE and HUT, and Bingo is just up 1%. That's not bad. I mean, I'm expecting it to jump this week if there are no more sell-off days. And let's look into Bingo. Actually, first, let's just get it out of the way. Bingo has a presentation at the AGBT 2021, and they'll share their scientific discoveries. And there's also a looks like a live interview with the CEO of Bingo on Thursday. And these are the sessions it started today, and it will go to March 2. Okay, it's it March 3, 1 to 3. Maybe it's a different, maybe they haven't posted that presentation, but if you want to check it out, definitely go to this website, agbt.org, and you can, I guess, take part in it and check out what they are presenting. And not gonna get too much into it because I know it's all gonna be good news. I don't really look into what they do. I'm just a bag holder, just hold it. Don't even check out the day-to-day activity much because I know this is going to be a good long-term hold. And I know this challenge video is supposed to be a little bit of an update every day kind of thing. But with Bingo, I have no scientific knowledge, and yeah, I'm not going to get much into that. So, all right. So Bingo, we are up 1%, and after hours we're up less than 1%, and we're up $10 today. Now my issue is that whether I should sell Bingo, a part of Bingo, and transfer that over to my other portfolio, because over here, if this account gets any bigger, I'm gonna have to pay more fees if I sell it, and that's gonna be a lot of money in a few years or so. It would make more sense for me to buy more Canadian shares here. So, and yeah, anyways, I'm contemplating that. And let's move into HIVE. I just did a video on HIVE just a few hours ago, and yeah, they jumped to 18. It was just about 11%. So yeah, around closing, late push, nice. Right, if you want to check out the information, what my thoughts are, I did a long video on HIVE just today, a couple hours ago. Yeah, just check that out. It's more in depth. So HUT and HUT, we're up 13%. Now HIVE, just want to show 18%, $320 at 124%, 1100 gain, and we're moving up nicely. HUT 13, about 14%, and $222 gain today, and $1,050 in total gain. We are looking good. Now I have updated, so let's just get to BITFARM as well first, and then we'll go through there. BITFARM, we are looking good, 11%. Okay, so Bitcoin hit a low of $43,000 USD over the weekend, and it's recovered nicely over Sunday and Monday morning, and yeah, so we're sitting at 48,000 right now, 48.5 looks like, about 48.5, and Right, so BitFarm, 11%, $26. Well, if you've been watching the video, you know I haven't invested much in BitFarm. It's just a small amount, right? And we're looking at 112% gain. And yeah, so right, and I think that there was no update news about it. So yeah, right. So I did update the chart. That's why I wanted to show you guys the chart. And if we look at the current hash rates for all these companies, we'll see 4 companies at 1 exahash plus. And the biggest one is the new, well, not for long, champion at 1.18 exahash, BitFarm. Congratulations. Wow. Okay. Now, if BitFarm had more HODL, I feel like they should not be overlooked at all. Like, it's ridiculous. They still have 3 exahash by Q4 goal by this year, and I just updated Hive with that news. Check that video out. They have a 2.474 exahash per second goal by end of the year. They also have the orders for it now. So now I'm just waiting for BitFarm to release news of their order, detailed, not that detailed, but at least tell us how much and how many miners and by what timeline they're expecting. That should be out most likely this month. So it's March, so they should be up. Yeah, so once they have this installed, they probably release news of the updated order. And yeah, so that also means that Mara is going to end up being 1.381 if all deliveries are met, and if all the units are installed by Q1, then we'll have 1.381 exahash, and Mara will be well worth their price, and they're gonna go up really high because they're hodling 4,800 BTC, and of course they're not making much right now with their current hodl, but it's not a jump from just 248 to 1.381. It's a steady increase, but they don't release the numbers that's like expected to release by how many every day or so, so we can't really predict how much we don't have an exact figure. So when they release the news, they're gonna jump even higher than what they did today with Mara and Riot. They jumped like 20% today. I believe 20+%, 27%, and they're still going up because Bitcoin price is going up. So yeah, and their current market cap of $3.62 billion. I've updated the crypto comparison chart, the market cap to hash rate, and yeah, so Mara and Riot are finally at about equal. Riot was just going up really high at $70+ like last few weeks. So now this I'm pretty sure Mara is probably around 1 or at least 900 petahash by now, and we will finally see Mara jump Riot, and Riot is at $54. So from 38, 39, wow. Okay, so $14 difference, and Mara is gonna recover that gap really quickly. So we'll see that effect go on, and I still remain that BitFarm is the most undervalued company in terms of market cap to hash rate at 101.18 exahash, and a valuation of $561 million actually. Okay, that's just ridiculous. That is ridiculous. They should be at least 2. They should be at least 2. Come on. That's crazy. Wow. Okay. And right. I added a new chart here for the given companies here for mining partnership and power energy partnership. Now, of course, these I'll have to update them once I get all of them, but if you know for the missing pieces and the companies, let me know. When I say partnership, I don't mean like a written contract or anything like that. I just mean a company that's favorable to or ordered the most from that company. In terms of like Bitmain and RIOT and Mara, that's totally different because they just have huge orders and they have an understanding that they would get first choice kind of deal. And right, and another company was HUT8 with the BitFury understanding or deal, but BitFury doesn't have any miner that's really up there. And yeah, see the TARDIS. I don't even know if they're yeah, they need to update that. It's only 10. The power usage is ridiculous. It's not even that efficient. Yeah, if they make it more efficient, then that's a good deal, I would say, because Hive just had about 74 terahash average for their 10,000 plus miner order. So yeah, I mean, just it's crazy. And think, yeah, so also with the energy, some of them, they might just be there by themselves, like BITFARM. They don't have any partnership or anything. And ARGO as well. I don't know if for any partnership they have. Let me know if you guys have found the detail. Please put a link there as well so I can fact check it. I'm not just gonna trust like when you say it's this like you gotta give me facts or a link to backtrack and check it out. And I am also doing some crypto comparisons, not crypto portfolio. I'll update this on a daily basis, but most likely I'll just reveal this maybe at the end of the week. So that'll be like a new thing, and like the crypto updated portfolio, how much I own currently, and just be totally transparent with the numbers. There's nothing to hide, right? So, and yeah, so let me know what you guys think. These challenge videos are going too long, but you have to understand there's too much information for me to just spill out. So please feel free to like and subscribe, and please know this is not financial advice. Please invest wisely, do your own research. You can look at my numbers, you can copy them, just make sure you fact check them, and you'll have your own Excel. So once again, invest smartly, and there's going to be new opportunities to get in. I mean, if you haven't bought any of the miners when you saw the dip, I definitely loaded up. You saw my chart and my little Excel that I showed on Friday. You can check that video out as well. And yeah, thank you for watching, and have a good day. Peace.